Step inside a masterclass of architectural poise, where the soul of a 19th-century Haussmann apartment meets the bold pulse of modern luxury. This isn't just a home, it's an effortless dialogue between heritage and heresy. Today, we deconstruct the Parisian chic aesthetic, a look defined by high-contrast neutrals, DIY wall moldings, and the curated beauty of the Undone. Join us as we reveal how to transform standard living into a gallery of French elegance. The secrets of the Marais await. The journey begins at the limestone threshold, where the exterior sets a tone of historical gravity. Note the high contrast of the charcoal wrought iron balconies against the creamy, aged masonry. This facade balances grandeur with a lived-in grace, utilizing floor-to-ceiling windows to hint at the treasures within. It's the first lesson in Parisian style. Luxury should feel like it has always been there, standing firmly between the past and the present. But what happens when you cross the threshold into the light? The living room is a symphony of lumix. Ornate DIY wall moldings provide a rhythmic, classical backdrop for a sleek, modern charcoal sofa. Here, the floor-length linen drapes pool with intentional nonchalance, softening the crisp edges of the room. A vintage gold leaf mirror reflects a space that isn't afraid of empty air, proving that a high-contrast neutral palette creates more drama than color ever could. It's a masterclass in curated tension. Can a space this elegant still feel like a sanctuary for rest? In the master bedroom, we embrace the Undone look with a bed of rumpled, high-end white linens. It's a deliberate rebellion against the stiff perfection of hotel rooms. Soft dove-gray moldings frame a vintage crystal chandelier, while a simple target bench is elevated by antique brass accents. This room proves that luxury is a feeling of ease, where high-contrast textures invite you to linger in the quiet beauty of a slow morning. Even the most functional spaces deserve a touch of culinary romance. The kitchen reimagines the Parisian bistro through a lens of stark minimalism. Matte black marble countertops strike a bold line against white cabinetry, detailed with subtle, recessed moldings. The focal point is an antique wooden island, a flea market treasure that grounds the modern appliances. This is where the Undone philosophy shines. Mismatched copper pots and open shelving make the space feel alive, functional, and deeply personal. Look upward, where a hidden architectural layer adds a new dimension. Ascending to the mezzanine, we find a library that floats above the social hub. The black iron railings offer a graphic contrast to the soaring white walls. Here, the wall moldings wrap around custom shelves, housing a collection that looks gathered over a lifetime, not purchased in a day. A vintage leather club chair sits in a pool of natural light, offering a secluded perch for thought. It is the ultimate luxury, a dedicated space for the mind. But how does this classicism translate into the modern bathroom? The bathroom is a study in monochromatic serenity. A matte black clawfoot tub acts as a sculptural statement piece against white marble floors. We've brought the wall moldings here too, proving that architectural detail shouldn't be reserved for the main rooms. A single linen drape filters the light, casting soft shadows across a repurposed antique vanity. It's a spa-like retreat that feels both ancient and remarkably fresh. Transitioning outside, the elegance begins to breathe with nature. The front yard serves as a curated transition from the public world to the private. Gravel crunches underfoot, a classic French texture, framed by the geometric precision of boxwood hedges. A pair of vintage bistro chairs sit near the stone wall, creating a vignette that feels like a quiet corner of a Parisian park. The high contrast of black metal against white stone ensures that even the smallest outdoor space carries the home's signature weight. True luxury, however, often hides where the world can't see it. On the rooftop, the aesthetic reaches its peak, literally. Zinc-colored flooring mimics the iconic roofs of Paris, while oversized linen cushions create an Undone lounge area. A vintage wrought iron dining set stands ready for sunset, silhouetted against the skyline. It's a space that balances the industrial heritage of the city with the soft, organic textures of linen and stone, offering a private escape above the urban rush. Below this height, we find the engine room of creativity. The atelier, or working room, is where the Parisian chic look meets productivity. A minimalist desk is paired with an ornate, heavy antique chair, creating a high-contrast visual that sparks inspiration. Walls are treated with the same DIY moldings found in the parlor, ensuring the home's DNA remains consistent. Stacks of books on the floor and leaning art pieces give it that effortless, undone studio vibe that encourages the creative process. Beyond the work, a secret awaits at the back of the property. The backyard is a secret garden defined by ivy-covered walls and weathered stone. A vintage fountain provides a rhythmic soundtrack to a space that feels untouched by time. High-contrast black lanterns punctuate the greenery, while a simple linen-covered daybed invites an afternoon nap. It's the final proof that the Parisian look isn't about flash, it's about creating a soul-stirring atmosphere through texture, light, and history. Thank you for exploring the nuances of Parisian chic with us. We hope this tour inspired you to bring a touch of French soul into your own home. Remember, true style isn't found in a catalog, but in the stories you tell through your furniture and the ease with which you live in your space. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interior deep dives. Au revoir, and happy decorating.